Does your Toyota Tundra center console look like this, or worse? Not anymore. It's time to organize your ride. Let me show you what a few pieces of cleverly designed plastic can do for you. Let's start with the Vehicle OCD center console organizer in the bottom of the console. Start with a long piece in the kit and notice the orientation arrows. Simply add the other 3 short pieces. Line up the 3 short pieces and lock the organizer together with the last piece. Now, just drop it in place. Configure the organizer for larger items by removing the center divider. This opens up the middle of the console for the big stuff, or that must-have box of tissues. We're not done yet. Add our optional center console tray. Now you can grab those everyday things without digging in the bottom. The tray slides front to back for easy access. This is a great upgrade to your Tundra, something you'll use every day. You can get these Vehicle OCD products on Amazon.com or go to the Salix Organizers website at www.salixorganizers.com.